Because it's very important project for the region.
Сол себептен өз көзімізбен көріп.
That's why we would like to see it with our own eyes.
Бірақ дегенмен де біз предпринимательмен де сөйлестік.
But still we had a conversation with Muhit Nimatovich on that matter.
Бұлар сатып алатын қызметін, тауарларын бәрін осы біздің Түркістан облысында болса деп.
And we have also expressed our opinion that all the materials, all the services preferably to be bought in the Turkestan region. Because it's going to be indirect support of the region. Starting from the asphalt, all the piece we are having. So this is that we produce ourselves in Turkestan region, so and we are ready to provide service. And that's why if we can get a list of all the services or materials needed for the project. Depending on that, we could develop some industries in Turkestan and supply your business.
So I will, if you read Mohit, and you will present that.